Hi everyone, in this video let us get introduced to the most trending full stack GraphQL platform, the Grandstack. Without any delay, let us dive deep and learn everything the Grandstack can do. This is also the perfect time for you to get expertise in GraphQL platform as it is taking over the API layer of most of the application development. I'm excited to show you how to create an end-to-end application in Grandstack. Before that, I would like you to know two things about Grandstack, two things about this video series. One, the technology, that is the libraries and framework in Grandstack. Two, how you can get help as you go through this series of videos. Alright, let's get started and get introduced to the Grandstack and know why most enterprises are moving towards Grandstack. So what is Grandstack? Grandstack is nothing but the combination of libraries and frameworks that are configured to work together to excessively rapidize the phase of full stack development of GraphQL based applications with graph database. And we will very soon come to know what are these terms, graph database, GraphQL, and also the tools and libraries that are used. So why should we use Grandstack? What are the advantages? Here we have listed some of the advantages. That is, it increases the productivity due to its ease of development. It has a strong and growing community. It is highly optimized. It makes the network calls highly optimized. Works well for complex data intensive projects. Leverages the advantage of underlying framework, full stack GraphQL, graph database, shadow DOM. So in the next video, we will come to know about what are the frameworks and libraries that makes the Grandstack.